In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in so you can access your website dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can manage your account settings and quickly navigate to the products and services connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the websites, domains, and other tools that are available under your account. Take a moment to find the website you want to work on. When you see it, click on your website to continue. Next, choose the option to edit your website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your page layout, content, and design. Wait for the editor to fully load so everything is visible and easy to work with. Once you're on your page inside the editor, click Add Section. This is the area where you can insert new content blocks into your site, including things like images, text, contact areas, and forms. After clicking Add Section, look for the search or category area and enter the word Form so you can quickly find the form options available. You'll now see different form styles you can choose from. Select the form that best fits what you need. For example, you might want a simple contact form, a lead capture form, or another layout depending on the purpose of your page. Click on the form you prefer, and it will be added to your website section. After the form is placed on the page, you can customize everything. This is where you adjust the text, fields, labels, and overall appearance so the form matches your website and works the way you want. Take your time here and make sure the form is clear and easy for visitors to complete. A good form should be simple, organized, and relevant to the page it appears on. When you're happy with the design and setup, click Publish. This makes your changes live so visitors to your website can see and use the new form right away. And that's it. That's how to create forms in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a form added to your site and ready to collect information in just a few minutes.